In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change contact poster on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Phone app. Then tap right here to go to Contacts, and after that select a contact to whom you want to change the poster. I'm just going to use that contact as an example. After that, here we need to tap Add Contact Photo and Poster here. As you can see, I have contact picture and poster, and I use different picture for both contact photo and poster. And now we can change any of them by tapping at this Customize button. Here, if you are going to change poster, select poster. However, from here we can also change contact picture. I'm going to choose poster now. And then we can, let's say, move it around or resize it by pinching just like that. If you would like to position it in different way, you can easily do so, just like that. Also, we can change here filter, and if you would like to set different picture here, tap at that button. That will open up your camera roll, and from here we can choose different one. Let's say that one, why not? After that, in the same way, we can resize it just like that. We can set different filter here, and then just hit at done, then continue. On the next step, you will be able to also choose a picture for the contact photo, and we can configure it, or we can just skip this step. I'm going to hit add skip. As you can see, I've just successfully changed my contact poster, and now to continue we need just to hit right there. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.